Hi there, I'm Sava, and in this video, I'll show you how to ensure compatibility of Klip coupons with the Buy It Now button on your Shopify theme. To start, head over to your Shopify admin and go ahead and click on the search bar, Apps, and Apps and Sales Channel Settings. Once this page loads, go ahead and click Develop Apps and click Allow Custom App Development. For the next step, go ahead and click Create an App, and we can name this app Klip. Click on Configure Storefront API Scopes, and make sure that under Checkout, the unauthenticated write checkouts and the read checkouts are enabled, and click Save. Next, go ahead and click Install App, and click Install. This will present now a Storefront API Access Token. You'll want to go ahead and copy that. Once this is copied, go ahead and click on Apps and head over to your Klip Coupons app. Click on Settings, Advanced, and paste the Storefront API token here in the Settings tab. Click Save. Now, if we go back to our coupon and we refresh the page, go ahead and apply the coupon, click Buy It Now, and we can see that the discount is applying to our product at checkout.